When using chemical, it's very important to mix the chemical correctly to ensure the full bond strength. Once the chemical is correctly mixed, the nozzle can then be inserted into the hole. When mixing AC100E, the chemical will become darker as it begins to mix correctly. When mixing KF2, the chemical will become lighter as it begins to mix correctly. When mixing AC100 Pro, the chemical will become lighter as it begins to mix correctly. When mixing Powers Fast Pro, the chemical will become darker, almost black in colour, as it mixes correctly. Correctly using Powers chemical is as easy as remembering these 4 simple words: drilling, cleaning, mixing, and fixing.